Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. This is the first time you've ever seen one of our videos. We appreciate you finding us. But I'm just going to talk about what we've got here in our hand, what we've just made for some people. Before I talk about those, if you'd like to look up more about us, there's our information right there. There's our two websites. We do electric fence repairs, fence charger repair, whatever you want to call it. We also work on cattle scales and low bars. But that's kind of what we're going to talk to in this video. It's real brief. If you have a set of low bars, the ones that we deal with mostly on this kind of stuff, these are extension cables that we've made for a set of Tru-Test HD1010 low bars. We've been getting more and more calls for these things because they're so expensive to buy from Tru-Test that, you know, there's another option. We can custom make you a set of low bar cables that plug into your existing cable, and we'll make it, you know, extend it however long you want. We usually do a minimum of 6 foot, but like these two cables, these are both 20-foot extensions. So we do a minimum of 6 to 10 foot, what I kind of like to stay at. I mean, if you need them 20, 30 feet long, we can do that as well. But we make them a lot cheaper than Tru-Test will sell them to you for. So I think theirs are set at 20 foot or 15 foot, and they're well over $100 a piece for a set of them. Or for each one. I think you can buy one or you can buy two. But if you need 2 of them done, you need 1 done, you need 10 of them, you know, let me know and we'll custom make them for you however long you need them. We make them for both, mostly for Tru-Test low bars and Gallagher low bars. We can make a set for either one of them. However long you want them, we'll make them for you. You just got to get a hold of me. You can email me. What you're looking for. I will need from you is the model of low bar that you have. The scale won't really matter because all the Tru-Test scales, the low bars, plug into them the same way. The Gallagher bars, I need to know what model you've got. You know, there's alleyway low bars, and there is those W110 low bars that Gallagher makes. And then there's like their heavy duty, you know, squeeze shoot type low bars as well. So I need to know the model because the pinout is similar on the different bars. They're all similar, but there's a resistor I got to put in there so that way the scale knows what bar is plugged into it. So I need to know that. Other than that, the wiring, I can do that all day long. I need to know what size, what model low bars you got. If you're not sure, take a picture, send it to me. You can text it to me at this number there, or you can email me at that email address there. I also have an email address on the cattle scale. Well, I think it's cattlescalerepair@gmail.com, but either way, you can call me or text me or email me what you're looking for, and we'll make you a set of cables up. If you need 1 cable or 5 cables, I don't really have a minimum. You know, if you just need 1, we'll make you 1. If you need 12, we'll make you 12. But we'll do them for a lot cheaper price. Good quality cable. It's outdoor UV resistant cables. So when you get them, they do stay pretty coiled up because they comes off of a spool. So it does stay coiled, but as you stretch them out and use them for a while, they'll break down and stretch out and relax a little bit, and they'll stop. Their memory is stuck in this kind of a roll shape because they comes off of a spool. But if you know somebody that, if you got a feedlot, or you're a big cattle producer, or even a small producer that deals with cattle and other livestock, or if you deal with the 4-H or FFA that you guys need some extension cables made for, just get a hold of me. We're happy to help you out. But hopefully that answers some questions. If you're looking for a set of extension cables for some low bars for Tru-Test or Gallagher, just give me a call. Until next time, see you later.